There's a 240,000 mile Hemi out of a 2004 Durango. Very crusty, rusty, and nasty, but it ran pretty good. Then out in the yard over here, we've got an old pool truck Dakota. It's in pretty good shape. Interior is nasty as hell, but that's where that Hemi's going. And in order to put that in there, we're going to use these new Holley mounts. Instructions. One mount. And some hardware. These are pretty simple mounts. I could have probably made it myself with no trouble at all, but I decided to give some business to Holley and see how these work out. They've also got a Crossmember available. I got one that's labeled as white box, which I believe means that it's not painted and that it's raw. This one's got a P on it, so that's probably for the passenger side, and it bolts to the frame. And then here's the other side, driver's side, that bolts to the frame on the other side. And then we've got our fabricated Crossmember and a bag of bolts. So hang on, and I'll pull this out of the bag. And there it is. It is raw. It's oiled very well, so it shouldn't rust. Looks like it's made out of 1/8 inch, but I haven't measured it. Having had parts laser cut before, this appears that it's been laser cut and probably CNC bent and then pieced together and welded. Looks pretty good. Oh, that's another Dakota. That one's a 5.9 and 5-speed, tuned by Flying Ryan. Right now it's not doing so good because it cracked a head. That one had about 200,000 miles on it when I cracked the head. And then there's another 5.9 right in that bag that's all fresh. It's going to have new iron heads and a 4-barrel EFI intake. And once I get done with the stroker here, that's a 493 twin turbo stroker. After I get done with that, then we'll start in on this other stuff. So that's it. I didn't get the adapter for the transmission because at this point I'm not sure what transmission I'm going to use. I've got a bunch of them here. I've got some manual transmissions. I've got a couple automatics. I don't know which one I'm going to choose.